Let's assume I'm a farmer. I'm ready to sell some apples. I work as supplier on the supply side of the business. On the other hand, consumers or buyers who are on the demand side demand the product. I will supply apples to them. When there is a situation in which supply exceeds demand, when supply increases while demand decreases. Apples, for example, if not sold, it goes as waste. In other case, where supply is low and demand is high, scarcity of product arises among the consumers. All this can happen anytime in any marketplace. It is critical and important to maintain a demand and supply ratio that meets the need of both suppliers and buyers. Let's assume the number of apples ready to sell is 100. Out of total number of apples, in one case 70% of apples were sold, leaving 30% unsold. For sold apples, farmer gets value for every apples they sell. For unsold apples, those are considered as waste if they are not sold to anyone. We can refer to the apples that have been sold as premium apples. Unsold apples can be referred as remnant. From the example we discussed, let's see how much money a farmer makes. Premium apples are 70% of 100 apples. 70% means 70 apples are sold as premium and each at $5, let's assume. So total money earned by farmer is 5 into 70 is $350. Remnant apples or unsold is 30%, and it's loss for him if it is still no one is ready to purchase. They try to sell at least for less price than premium. Let's say apple is sold at $2. So total money earned by farmer is $2 into 30 is $60. I divided this into 3 cases to understand how much money does farmer earns in each case. Case 1. If all apples sold at premium price, total money earned is 5 into 100 is $500. In case 2, 70% of apples are sold at premium price and 30% at remnant. For premium, 5 into 70 is $350. For remnant, it is 2 into 30 is $60. Total money earned in this case, 350 plus 60 is $410. In case 3, let's assume 70% of apples are sold at premium price and remaining are wasted because they were unsold. Revenue from premium 5 into 70 is 350 and from remnant it is 0. So total money earned in this case is 350 into 0 is 350. For the same 100 apples, the farmer receives different amounts in these 3 cases, $500, $410 and $350. If farmer can get good price for all the apples, he will make more money. If not, he looks for another alternative to sell inventory, because something is better than nothing. Instead of wasting money, make some money by selling to those who are interested. Even here, the mediator is required to run the business in an effective way on both sides of the ecosystem. Let's apply same concept for ad inventory. If a publisher can secure good price for all the available ad inventory, he will make more money. If not, he looks for something alternative to sell whatever left over. Something is better than nothing. Any product is waste once lifespan is over. Instead of wasting unsold inventory, make some money by selling to those such as mediator. In display advertising ecosystem, those mediators are ad networks. These ad networks acts as intermediary between advertisers and publishers to sell and buy ad inventory. I hope you understand the distinction between premium and remnant inventory. For any queries and feedback, feel free to reach out to learnersearchglobal@gmail.com. You may also mention it in the comments area. Take care, stay safe and stay tuned for our next video.